So you wanted to know how to pull a pre-foreclosure list on Propstream. Here we go. So for this example, we are in Atlanta, Georgia, right? So you have quick filters. If you look up here, you can just go ahead and click this pre-foreclosure filter, and then it'll populate, those in pre-foreclosure, or those with the notice of list pendants. Which the notice of list pendant, what that means is the county's is recording a notice that a payment has been missed. And so here's another way you can come into filters, right? Here's how you can start narrowing this thing down. You can do property characteristics. You can do residential, single family, or whichever one you'd prefer. And then here, let me move this over a bit. And then I like to do off market. I like to talk directly with the sellers. And then ownership info. Let me remember. Do I mess with this? Yes, I mess with this one. Individuals. I don't want to deal with no corporates or trust or anything like that. And then probates can be tricky, so it's up to you if you want to include them or exclude them. Looks like it's only one probate on here. And then another way, let's see, what else do I add here? See, ownership. That's pretty much it. I mean, this is as hot as it's gonna get. You can start narrowing it really, really down to bedrooms, bathrooms, and then you can even add liens in here. Tax liens. This gives you very niche 37 properties. You can do HOA liens, et cetera, et cetera. But this is how you would pull your list, right? Right here, you have 78 properties here, potential properties. That then you would just select all of them, add to your list, extract a file, and then skip them, right? Skip trace them, give them a ring, put them in a campaign, call them, right? If you want to take this method and really take it to the next level, once you pull your fresh list, right, you have the addresses here, right? Let's just use this one for example. Let's see when this one was filed. 12/8/2022. Here's what I wanted to show you too real fast. Pre-foreclosure, you can do recording date, right? You can do, let's just keep it fresh. Let's say the 1st of December. You have 27 properties that are ready to go. So this plays into knowing Atlanta, your market, knowing how the foreclosure works in there. But now you have addresses, right? You have an address, you have a name. You want to take this method to the next level? Take this address and go door knock that address. Oh my God, make sure you bring a contract, right? Make sure you bring a contract. Go in there with the mindset of helping folks, right? I always go in to help first. A lot of folks just need help and they actually prefer to stay in the house. Not everybody's looking to sell. So don't go in with the mindset of just acquiring a deal to sell. Like, I always go in with a mindset of helping first. And if we get to the point that, they're like, hey, Erick, we just got to sell this thing, then that's a bridge that we cross at that time. But I always, always, always exhaust all the options of they wanting to stay if that's what they want to do. And so I hope that this helps. Very quick, very straight to the point. All you would have to do is change your market up here and adjust your filters, and go get some deals, start some chaos. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what else I can do for you.